Imagine this. Just 12 months from now, your life could be so different you might not even recognize it. Not slightly better, not a little improved, but fundamentally transformed. Stronger body, sharper mind, higher income, and a life you actually feel proud of. Sounds unrealistic? That's exactly what most people think, and that's why most people stay the same. But today, you're getting something different. A straightforward month by month plan to help you unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself in 1 year. Let me share something interesting. A year ago, there was a guy who felt stuck. No progress at all. He wasn't failing, but he wasn't winning either. Every day looked the same. Wake up, scroll, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. Deep down, he knew he was capable of more, but he didn't have a system, so nothing changed. Until one day, he made a decision. Not a motivation burst, not a New Year resolution, a system, a clear roadmap, and everything changed. Okay, here's the honest truth. Becoming the best version of yourself doesn't just happen by chance. You become it by design. This 12-month program is structured around four distinct phases. Phase 1 is where most people fail because they try to change habits without changing identity. Okay, let's start by figuring out what your absolute best looks like. What does your ideal day look like? How do you think, act, and live? Write it down in detail. Now comes the invisible enemy, your beliefs. These aren't facts, they're really just stories you've told yourself so many times. Replace them with positivity. Now we build momentum, not with 20 habits, just 3. Exercise, learning, and reflection. Simple but powerful. Now the hardest part. You need to reduce distractions. Endless scrolling, cheap dopamine, because you can't build a strong life on weak habits. Phase 2, your physical upgrade, because your body drives everything. Start strength training, not randomly, but structured. Upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body, repeat. Progressive overload is the key here. Then fix your diet. More protein, whole foods, hydration. And don't ignore this. Sleep is your superpower. Stop managing time. Start managing energy. Now we change your future. Choose one high value skill. Then build. Don't just consume, but create something. Turn skill into income. Share your journey. Document, teach, grow. Now refine everything. Cut distractions. Upgrade your environment. Build systems. Think long term. Let's be honest here. Most people will watch this, feel inspired, and do nothing. But a small percentage will take action, and their life will never be the same. If this video gave you clarity, hit like and subscribe to this channel.